आज का हमारा टॉपिक है द बेसिक ऑपरेशंस इन द मैट्रिक्स थ्योरी आर एडिशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस, स्केलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस. Addition of matrices. Let A and B are two matrices of same order. For example, A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. B is equal to V11, V12, V13, V21, V22, V23 of order 2 cross 3. Then A plus B is equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23. ऑर्डर आ गया इसका 2 क्रॉस 3. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर हम दो मैट्रिसेस ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए उन दोनों का आपस में ऑर्डर जो है वो सेम होना चाहिए. तो उस वक्त A11 और B11 प्लस होंगे, ऐसे ही A12 और B12 प्लस होंगे, ऐसे ही A13 और B13 प्लस होंगे. A21 प्लस B21, A22 प्लस B22, A23 प्लस B23. In general, if A is equal to Aij m cross n and V is equal to Vij m cross n are two matrices of the same order, say m cross n, then the sum of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix Cij m cross n, where Cij is equal to Aij plus Bij. Let A is equal to 2, 0, 5, minus 3, 7, 4, 3 cross 2. B is equal to 6, 1, 4, 2, minus 5, minus 1. Then A plus B is equal to 2 plus 6, 0 plus 1, 5 plus 4, minus 3 plus 2, 7 plus minus 5, 4 plus minus 1 equal to 8, 9, 7 minus 5, 2, 1, minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. If A and B are not of the same order, then A plus B is not defined. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 2 cross 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2 cross 3. Then A plus B is not defined. Subtraction of matrices. Let A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij are two matrices of same order. Then difference of two matrices A and B is defined as a matrix C equal to Cij, where Ci is equal to Aij minus Bij for all possible values of I and j. For example, let A is equal to 6, 5, 0, 8 minus 3, 2. B is equal to 3, 7, 5, 2, 9 minus 6. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 6 minus 3, 8 minus 2, 5 minus 7, minus 3 minus 9, 0 minus 5, 2 minus 6. 3, 6, minus 2, minus 12, minus 5 and 2 minus minus plus 6 equal to 3 minus 2 minus 5, 6 minus 12, 8. If A and B are not of the same order, then A minus B is not defined. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 1, 0, 2 cross 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2 cross 3. Then A minus B is not defined. Negative of a matrix. The negative of a matrix is denoted by minus A is equal to minus 1 into A. For example, A is equal to 3, 1, minus 5, 7, minus 5x. Then minus A is equal to minus 1 into 3, 1, minus 5x equal to minus 3. Minus into minus plus 5, minus 1 and minus x. Scalar multiplication. Let A is any matrix and K is a number. Then the matrix defined by multiplying each element of A by K is called scalar multiple of A by K and is denoted by Ka. Properties of scalar multiplication. If A and B are two matrices of same order and K is scalar, then K into A plus B is equal to Ka plus Kb. If A is any matrix and K1, K2 are any scalars, then K1 plus K2 A is equal to K1A plus K2A. K1, K2A is equal to K1, K2A. Multiplication of matrices. The product of two matrices A and B is defined if the number of columns of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix and V is equal to Bij N cross P is a matrix of order N cross P. Then the product of the matrices A and B is the matrix C of order M cross P. For example, A is equal to 4 minus 2 1 0 6 3, B is equal to 5 3 minus 1 1 7 minus 1. Order of matrix A is equal to 2 cross 3. Here M is equal to 2, N is equal to 3. Order of matrix B is equal to 3 cross 2. Here M is equal to 3, N is equal to 2. Here the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows of matrix B. The product of AB is defined and number of columns of B is equal to number of rows of A. So B is also defined. Properties of matrix addition. Commutative law. If A is equal to Aij M cross N and V is equal to Bij M cross N are two matrices of same order, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Associative law. Let A is equal to Aij M cross N, V is equal to Bij M cross N and C is equal to Cij M cross N are the matrices of same order, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Existence of additive identity. If A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix of order M cross N and 0 is a M cross N 0 matrix, then A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Existence of additive inverse. If A is equal to Aij M cross N is a matrix of order M cross N, then minus A is equal to minus Aij M cross N is another matrix such that A plus minus A is equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. So minus A is the additive inverse of A or negative of